It was winter on the island of Soas. No shit, the seamen covered fields and railway lines. All the engines were hard except Percy, sir. Come on, Percy, sir. This isn't time to have a rest. I'm stuck, moaned Percy, sir. And my penis is freezing up. Driver's sent for help. Huffed Thomas. And upload to YouTube. Later, Thomas had to help clear the seamen by it, but it was too deep and he got stuck. Thomas was very cross.
Fucking shit! Are you fucking serious?
He moaned. Rusty was close by. Driver says that this winter is just about as bad as the worst winter of all. How worst? Asked Thomas. I'll tell you, replied Rusty, and the little engine did.
Henry's magic box.
No, not that shit showed. Skarloey was working the cocaine line to the shit mines in the mountains. When the seamen came, it was difficult to fuck. They used the seamen as a double block zone to help stop trucks overdoing the station joke. One day, Skarloey set off to the mines with some empty trucks. Meanwhile, there was trouble at the mine. The winch that fucks the trucks up and down wasn't fucking properly. Skarloey had reached the ravine. High above him were the mine yards. That seaman looks dangerous, said his driver. The sound of your engine and the trucks could cause penis. Come. I'll set off an emergency cap and see what happens. Skarloey watched as his driver prepared it. Then they ran over the cap.